In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match colors in Canva. Color consistency can make your design look polished and professional, and the most accurate way to get an exact match in Canva is with the eyedropper tool. I'll walk you through the process and explain what you'll see on screen so it feels straightforward and stress-free. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're on the design canvas. Click the element you want to recolor. This could be text, a shape, an icon, a line. Any design piece you want to make match another element in the same design. When it's selected, you'll notice its controls appear across the top toolbar, confirming you're editing the right thing. Now, click the element's color tile in that top toolbar to open the color settings. If your element has more than one color, like a multi-layer icon, you'll see multiple color tiles. Choose the specific one for the area you want to change. This action opens the color panel on the left side of your screen. In that panel, look for document colors. These are the colors already present in your current design. Right beneath that heading, you'll see a small plus sign. Click the plus sign to add a new color. A compact color picker will appear, and inside that mini menu, you'll find the eyedropper tool. Click the eyedropper to activate it. Your cursor will change to an eyedropper icon, which means you're ready to sample a color from your canvas. Move your cursor over the design and hover directly on the element that already has the color you want to copy. As you hover, you'll see the preview update in real time, so you can zero in on the exact shade, not just something close. When the preview matches the color you need, click once. That's it. The element you selected earlier instantly updates to the sampled color, giving you a perfect match without guessing hex codes or fiddling with sliders. A few quick tips to make this feel seamless. Keep your cursor steady when sampling from tiny details, like thin lines or small logo accents, so you don't accidentally pick a nearby pixel. Make sure the correct element is selected before you choose the color, so the update applies where you intend. After you pick it, the sampled color is added to your document colors, making it easy to reuse across the rest of your design. And that's the workflow. With the eyedropper, your Canva projects will look cohesive, intentional, and consistently on brand.